Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you RealFood, the ultimate PHP recipe and community foods. This is RTL support system. You can see dashboard and section, recipes, users, then summary, recipe. Then you can see another option is recipe category, difficult, then recipe you can create recipe, edit recipe, edit and delete also. Then category you can create category, edit and delete also. You can see it's recipe. This recipe you can see. Then user page you can create page, edit and delete also. Then users you can add users, edit and delete. Then subscribers same pattern. Translation, menu, can add new menu, edit and delete, change status. Then comments, ads, theme, email template, setting, you can customize. Okay, if you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.